What if I told you there's a credit union right now in 2026 that will give you up to $225,000? All you need is a $10 membership. Look, no military, no government job, no special connection, just $10, guys. And I'm talking about a $50,000 credit card, $50,000 for a personal loan, $75,000 home improvement loan. Then you got the home equity, the mortgages, even a $50,000 business credit card. And that's not it. They also have antique car loans and used and new car loans, y'all. They got 84-month financing. The credit union is an absolute beast. And by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to join, what to apply for, and how to stack up $225,000 in funding. Now, I want y'all to get ready for this. Let's get to it. Now, y'all know me. I just don't come on here hyping up any credit union. Look, we've covered Navy Federal. We've covered PenFed, Americu, also the United States Senate Federal Credit Union. But I'm going to tell y'all, this one right here, look, Lafayette Federal Credit Union, this might be the most complete credit union we've reviewed on this channel in a while. And I'm going to tell you why I say that. Most credit unions, they do one or two things well. Maybe they got good personal loans. Maybe they got decent credit cards. But Lafayette, they got the whole lineup. I mean, think about this. They got personal, auto, home, and business, all of it under one roof. That's exactly what it is. And the best part, the barrier to entry is almost nothing. And we're going to break that down in a second. But before we get into all these nuggets, I want to say to all the new people that's new to this channel, I want you to know we drop videos every single week showing you credit unions, business credit strategies, and funding secrets that the bank charge you thousands of dollars for. We give it to you absolutely free. So while I'm saying this, I need you guys to smash the like button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video. And if you're already part of our family, drop the comment right now that says ready in the comments so that I know that you guys are locked in and I look at all the comments, guys. All right. So first things first. How do you actually join Lafayette Federal Credit Union? Because here's the thing. Originally, this credit union was set up for government employees in the DC area. But, and this is the part y'all need to hear, they opened it up to everyone. So now you can join through the Home Ownership Financial Literacy Council. I called and double checked with them, guys. That's it. You join that organization and now you're eligible for membership at the Lafayette Federal Credit Union. And look at this. I want you to know it's not a complicated process. If you want to do it during this video, all you got to do is go to their website. You sign up for the Home Ownership Financial Literacy Council. You put down your $10 membership. You make a deposit at the Lafayette Federal Credit Union. And guess what? You're in. $10. That's less than a Chipotle bowl with guac, guys. Come on. You can't beat this. And it gives you access to up to $225,000 worth of financial products. Now, what I'm about to show you is the complete product lineup. And when I tell you, they've got something for everyone. Look, whether you're trying to build your personal credit, buy a home, flip a car, or fund a business, I mean everyone. So look, don't go anywhere. Let's start with the credit cards, because this is where a lot of y'all are going to get excited and really where most of y'all should start. Banks usually and credit unions give you the easiest time when you get their credit card first. So Lafayette offers credit cards up to $50,000. Did y'all hear me now? Obviously, your approval depends on your credit profile, but just remember the ceiling is $50,000. And here's what I love about credit unions versus banks. All right, banks, you're dealing with shareholders and they're trying to make money. Credit unions are actually member owned. They're not trying to squeeze every penny out of you. Look, the rates are typically lower, the fees are lower, and they actually want to approve you. And remember, guys, for all you credit nerds out there, they pull Experian. So if your Experian score is your strongest bureau, for a lot of people it is, this is going to be your play. All right, next up, personal loans up to $50,000. Now, this is unsecured money, y'all. That means no collateral. like noodles with no packet. All right. You don't have to put up your car, your house, nothing. Look, they're lending up to $50,000 based on your credit worthiness. And when I say credit worthiness, guys, you want a 700 credit score, hopefully a car paid off, and 3 to 5 credit cards. Look, you can do this, guys. And think about what you can do with the $50,000 in liquid cash. You can fund your business. You can consolidate high interest debt, maybe even invest in real estate. The possibilities are absolutely endless. And look, remember, guys, this is a nugget right here. A lot of startup business owners, they start off using their personal funding to capitalize their business before their business credit is built up. Sometimes you got to start with your personal and pivot to the business. This is how you bootstrap, guys. This is how you get started. And we're just getting warmed up, because what I'm about to show you next, the auto loans, the home products, and the business credit card. This is where Lafayette really separates itself from every other credit union that we've covered. Stay with me, guys, or y'all are going to miss this. All right, let's jump into the auto loans. Lafayette offers auto loans with terms up to 84 months. That's 7 years of financing, y'all. That means lower monthly payments, which means more cash flow in your pocket every single month. Let's say you're doing Turu or Uber. Now you got more cash flow. And whether you're buying new or used, and some of you guys may want to buy an antique car, they offer all of that. Do you know how rare that is? If you've been wanting to buy a classic car, maybe a 67 Mustang, maybe a vintage Corvette, most banks won't even touch that. Most credit unions won't even look at it. Lafayette Federal will absolutely finance you guys. So if you're into classic cars, drop a comment right now. Tell us what car you finance. I actually want to know. I'm into cars too. Now, let's talk about the home products, because this is where real wealth actually starts. First, the home improvement loans. They go up to $75,000. Listen to me. If you own a property and you want to renovate it, add value, and flip it, $75,000 can help you get started. That means a full kitchen remodel, maybe a new bathroom, maybe even an addition. You can transform a property with that kind of money. Look, guys, they got absolutely everything, because you can buy a distressed property. You can use that $75,000 home improvement loan to fix it up. And now that the property may be worth double what you paid, that's how you start building generational wealth, money magnets. On top of that, they offer home equity loans. So if you already have equity in your home, you can tap into it. And they offer first-time home buyer mortgage. So whether you're a first-time home buyer or you're adding to your portfolio, Lafayette has a product for you. Now, everything I've shown you so far has been on the personal side. But what if I told you Lafayette Federal also has products for your business? What? We're not done yet. Lafayette Federal offers a small business credit card with limits up to $50,000. Now let that sink in for a second. A $50,000 business credit card from a credit union. Do you know how powerful that is? Most small business owners are out here begging the banks for a $5,000 credit line. And here's a credit union saying, look, we'll give you up to $50,000. Look, guys, that's a cash flow changer. I want you to realize, try to start a relationship with a bank like this. That's the key. Every time you use that card, look, be responsible. You're building your business credit profile. You're establishing trade lines. You're setting your business up for even bigger funding down the road. And speaking of bigger, they also offer commercial loans. So if you're looking to buy commercial real estate, expand your business, maybe even purchase equipment, Lafayette Federal is playing in that space too. Now, I know some of y'all are watching this thinking, Marvin, this is amazing, but I don't even know where to start. My credit needs work. I don't have my business set up yet. I don't know which product to apply for first. Look, guys, that's exactly why we offer a free business strategy call. Me and my team will get on a Zoom call with you. We will look at your situation and map out a plan step by step, so you know exactly what to do, whether it's cleaning up your credit, setting up your LLC, or figuring out the right order to apply for these products. The link is in the description. Book that call. It's absolutely free. There is no excuse. But for the best results, guys, remember you need a 700 credit score unexperienced. So let's add all this up right quick, Money Magnets. Look at what Lafayette Federal Credit Union is offering for a $10 membership. Now, we've discussed $50,000 credit cards, $50,000 in personal loans, $75,000 in home improvement loans, and $50,000 for a small business credit card. Now, I don't know if y'all are keeping up with this, but that's $225,000. And that's not counting auto loans, home equity, mortgages, and commercial loans. The total access here, guys, is absolutely massive, all for $10. So remember, you got to join through the Home Ownership Financial Literacy Council, pulling Experian. Now, if you're sitting there thinking, Marvin, I love Lafayette, but my experience score isn't where I need it to be. Don't worry, guys. I got you. I want you to click this video right here. We made a video showing you a credit union that pulls Equifax and approved high limits. You got to watch this. I'll see you over there. And remember, let's get to the money.
And we're here to help empower your finances.